Hi everyone, it's another video on this channel and it's part of our Learn HTML the Right Way series. So this time around, I want to talk about a semantic tag, figure and figure caption. So this element is very useful when it has to do with when you are dealing with media on your web pages. So it allows you to define the caption of caption for a particular media, that be it your image. So then it also helps you to wrap a figure inside it so that your browser can understand it better, SEO can understand it better. So let's see what we have here. So let's do that in our page here. So let's go back to our code. So here, this is our first picture here. So let me remove this second picture. Let's just remove it, we don't need it. So I'll just come here, I'll say figure, then let's just close it here. So let's save. So if I go back to the browser, you will see nothing is changing here. So you are not seeing anything, nothing is changing. So but let's say I want to give a caption to this image. So let's come back here. So I'll just come down here, say figure caption, so my profile picture. So let's go back to the browser and see what we have. So you can see now we have figure caption here. So it enables us to just give a caption, like a short description to our media. So nothing more than that. Have any question in the comment, shoot it. Then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Meet you in another release.